Hello guys, welcome back to our new Go High Level video. And as you guys know that we are covering the invoices section or inside Go High Level, that how you can create the invoices and how you can share this to the clients based on the product. So in our today's video we are going to give a relief to our customers and clients. So basically what we are going to do is that we are going to create a coupon code inside Go High Level, so that if somebody use this code in their invoices, so that they can get some of the discounts. Okay, so let's move towards Go High Level and let's see that how we can create these types of coupon codes and how clients can use them. So let's go towards Go High Level screen.
Okay guys, so we were on our payments and how we are going to create invoices and estimates. So in addition to that, today we are going to learn that how we can add coupon codes. Okay, for that you have to move inside the payments, and inside the payments you have to move inside coupons. When I click on coupons, from here you can create new coupons. Okay, and when I simply click on it, it will show me the window where I can create new coupon. For example, here I can name it as GHL course. Okay, and course code let us be generated by default, and it is percentage coupon. The start day is from 26 and the end day is, let's suppose, 31. Okay, and here you can see the limit use of once per customer. Yes, I want to check it, and these are other for some of the months. Okay, so before that we have to enter how much discount we want to offer. Let's make it 30%. Okay, and now let's create it. Okay, so now what will happen is that if you guys are thinking that these coupons are used inside the invoices, then you are wrong. Okay, let me show you the invoice, that how it look like. Okay, so here is the invoice I open as I created in our previous video. So there is only button for pay. There is no you can say field to enter the coupon code. Okay, for that then there's a question arises that how you guys can use the coupons, or how customer will utilizes the coupons. Okay, for that, as you know that everything is happening inside the website. Okay, so if any of the customer wants to pay online via website, then they can use the coupons. Okay, for that we will visit the web sites, and inside the sites or inside the funnels you can create you can say a payment, or you can say a field that will accept the coupons codes. Okay, let me show you how you can do that if my website get loaded quickly. So basically they enter the coupons there, and if their coupon is right, they will the invoice get changed, or the payment you can say the payment amount will get changed automatically on the basis of the coupons, and they can utilize the coupon like that. Okay, let me show you if this website gets load. Otherwise, on the other hand, let me show you that how you can send the invoices on the basis of contacts. Okay, and let me open one contact here. I think the net gets load again. Okay, the funnels have been loaded, and let me search for some test funnel so that I can show you how to use coupons. Okay. I think this is the test below, and before that you have to move inside the forms, and inside the forms you will create a field. Okay, and inside that field you can simply name it as coupon, and then using code editor you will add the code and the conditions that how you can use the coupon. Okay, I will just show you the path that how you guys can do it, and practically you guys have to do, or you have to do on its own. Okay. For example, what form should I take? Uh, okay, let's go with this one, parents form. I don't know what it contains, but for now, let's take it. Okay, so as I'm telling you that how you can send invoices to your customers by simply opening their contact. So I'm just searching a contact name as Abu Bakr, and here it is. I will simply open it, and here you can see there's a button name as you can say payments. Okay, inside the actions you can see there are many methods: create estimate, create invoices. So from here you can select the invoice and you can send it. Here you can say already invoices have been created and it has been sent. Okay, so you can create the invoices from here and you can send them. Okay, so this is a small and you can say a quick method to do it. Okay, so now we are here and here simply you can add let's search for number field if it is available, text HTML, score code file upload, monetary signatures, yes, numbers. I think this is what I'm looking for. Okay, yes. So here customers will enter their coupon codes and if there's a field below that tells us amount, then that amount will get changed automatically. Okay, based on this coupon. Like for example, if it is you can say $1,000, then after entering the code like ABC123, okay, but in between these two fields you have to add another field which is named as code field. Okay, let us search where it is. Upload file. Where is search button for so that I can add that? Okay, open form, email, last name, button, address, city, state, postal code, website. Okay, I think that code is available inside funnel. Okay, yes. So for now, simply we will create this. Okay, parents form. And now what will happen is that we will simply move towards funnel. Okay, oh my god, my charging is. Okay, I will be right back to you guys. Give me some time. Let me add my charger and will let you know about it. Okay, so here it is. I attached it, and now let's back to work. Okay, so this is known as parent form, and now I will move inside funnels. And inside funnels, let's create a new funnel. And as you know that how to import a code or how to import a form inside the funnel. Okay, just open. And I'm just going to show you where is the code field so you can enter your own logic inside that code field using JavaScript and your coupon will work in that case. Okay, and in further videos I will let you know that how you can add a payment method like Stripe so that your payments will get accepted in right account. Let's wait for its loading. Okay, pages. Okay, let's edit it. I know that slow internet is frustrating. Okay, good. Okay, so now here you can see that this is a tracking code. Okay, so you can simply click on add element and you would simply go for code. Okay, and inside this you need to add your own logic and that logic will simply detect the coupon code. Okay, and it will edit the final prices. Okay, and on that prices the customer will pay. Okay, so this is all from my side for coupon and how you can easily send the payments or invoices to your client. So let's see in our next video what we are going to do. Until that, thank you. Bye bye.